Welcome to Chapter 2. Alex's account is ready, so now let's get properly comfortable in the workspace itself. First stop, the dashboard. The page that greets you every time you sign in. This is Overview Alex's dashboard. Right now, it's a clean slate with one clear invitation. Start your first improvement project. And that tells you the philosophy of this page. No vanity numbers. As you complete projects, it fills with what you have actually improved. Scroll down, and you get a preview of what's possible. This example strip shows a busy workspace. 12 projects completed. Average Sigma, that's a score for how consistent your processes are, climbing from 3.1 to 4.2, and over 1,200 points of accumulated risk removed. Below that, achievements. Each badge tells you exactly what to do to earn it. Create your first project. Map 5 processes across your projects. Log 10 or more risk entries. Complete a project 3 months in a row. It turns good improvement habits into a little game, and honestly, it doubles as a checklist worth following. That big button up top starts your first project. But we're going to resist it for one more chapter, because LeanProjax has a smarter path from problem to project. And it starts with capturing ideas, not creating paperwork. Before that, though, let's make the workspace fit you. Settings is next. See you there.